Worldview introduce 9 ways to make someone want you more. Have you ever feel like you're always fighting for someone's attention? It can be really frustrating when you always feel like you're working hard and you're not getting anything. You may wonder if this person cares about you. According to relationship experts, fighting for someone's attention usually only backfires and make them want to keep their distance from you. But what if I told you there is a better way to handle this situation? In fact, if you follow the 9 steps and advice in this video, they not only attract attention, they start chasing. Before diving in and offering a solution, let's start by understanding the problem. Let's step back and analyze the problem so we can better understand the problem. The biggest reason most people fight for someone's attention are they afraid of being ignored or rejected, because you think that the other person will not notice unless you make an effort. As such, they try to get as close to their opponents as possible and will do anything to get their attention. However, this usually has the opposite effect of what you are trying to achieve. Instead of getting their attention, you often push them away because it feels suffocating and hopeless for the other person. So what you can do instead to flip your script and let others people chase you? The solution is actually quite simple. Here it is. Number 1. Stop chasing them. The first step you should take is to stop chasing the person you want to attract. It means you have to stop being around her all the time. Stop texting them all the time. Stop doing things they want to do so you can be close to them. You have to give them some space so they can come to you. It can be difficult at first, but it's important if you want them to follow you quickly. They have an image of you in their head, but it's probably a poor and desperate person. You want to change that image so they can see you as a strong, independent, and confident person. The best way to do this is to give them space and show them that you don't need them to be happy. Number 2. Live according to your principles. According to relationships expert, living according to your principles is one of the best ways to make someone want you more. When you are true to yourself, you radiate confidence and confidence of the heart, and it is very attractive quality to others. Moreover, living according to your principles send a clear message. It's about not wanting to compromise on what's important to you. As a result, the person eyeing you will have to work hard to finally win your affection. Living according to your principle increases your chance of finding someone who is truly compatible with you. After all, compatibility is what lasting and fulfilling relationships are all about. And final, if they don't appreciate your principles, they are not worth your time and attention. Number 3. Take the responsibility for your own emotions. When you fall in love with someone, you often put your happiness in their hands. You believe they are responsible for making you feel good and that if they don't get the attention you want, you'll be unhappy. That's not true. You are responsible for your own happiness and you have to control your emotions. This doesn't mean you should feel anything when someone you like ignores you. That means you have to find a way to make yourself happy without them. Once they realize that you are happy without them, they will start chasing you. This is a profound psychological principle known as the law of scarcity. It is said that people want what they cannot get and are attracted to rare things. If you could show that you're happy without your loved ones, they begin to see you as a rare and valuable asset they need in their lives. Number 4. Be the best version of yourself. If you want someone to want more, this is a big step. You have to be the best version of yourself. It doesn't mean you have to change. It means you have to strive to be the best you can be. Here are some ways to set goals and work hard to reach them. Positive and optimistic, friendly and helpful to others. This will boost your self-esteem and make you feel better. This makes you more attractive to others. Number 5. Show that you are attractive without having to be a dependency. It's important to show that you are interested in someone you like. However, it should be done in a way that doesn't make you feel needy or desperate. Show them that you are there when they really need you. Let them trust you by being honest with them. Help them without suffocating, and follow these simple tips to make sure your actions always match your words. You'll show people you like that you are someone they can trust and rely on. Someone who is not dependency, exactly who he wants to be with. Number 6. Don't take things personally. Feeling neglected can hurt. However, you should keep in mind that it may not be personal. There are countless reasons why a person ignores you, none of which has anything to do with you. Perhaps they are going through a difficult time in their life and need some space. Or maybe they are busy with work or school. Whatever the reason, you have to remember that it is not about you. So don't take things personally and give them the space they need. The point is not to make them the center of your world and live your own life. That way, it won't affect them if they ignore you. Number 7. Show that others want you. One of the best ways to get someone to want you more is to show them that others want you. This may sound counterintuitive, but it works. If someone finds out that other people are interested in you, they will probably want you to. This is proven more because when people feel like they are competing with your attention, they are more likely to want you. It's a natural instinct that people have when they feel like they are competing with someone for something. Number 8. Be patient in the face of them. Patience is required if you want to build a long-lasting relationship with someone. Being patient means giving the person time to get to know you and develop feelings for you. You can force anyone to like you, then you end up just pushing them away. It should be borne in mind that some people develop feelings for others more slowly than others. So you may have to wait a while before you are ready to take things to the next level. Number 9. Prepare to leave. This is the last and most important step. The thought of leaving can be scary, but if you want someone to want more, that's very important. When you are ready to leave someone, it shows them that you are not hopeless and that you will not put up with their bad behavior. It shows them that you are a valuable person who will not tolerate being treated badly. If you do, they'll know they have to treat you well if they want to keep you in their life, and it's exactly what you want. Having that mindset doesn't just make someone want you more, but it also attracts better people into your life. Finally, here are the important points to remember. Don't try to make someone want you by fighting or chasing for attention. It just drives them away. Then be the best version of yourself and don't settle for less than you deserve. And finally, be willing to walk away from someone who doesn't treat you the way you deserve to be treated. After all, you deserve to be with someone who loves and respects you for who you are. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends so you can keep making them. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.